Oh, Sophia, you're gonna feed the goats?
Yeah, I'm going to feed them. Haha.
Good
Here you
girl.
go. So,
They are all hungry, aren't they?
yeah. Jennifer.
Tell them to relax and then feed them. Good girl. Oh no, look at the baby ones. You missed out these 2 baby ones.
No, there's another baby one free. Oh, good. Okay.
Okay, give that baby one, yeah? That's it. And the other one?
Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Slow your horse.
And then give this one, Sophia. This big one.
No, I won't.
No, give the big one. Oh, Sophia, look, the big one is hungry.
Well, you can have some later.
Sophia, come on.
Okay, little baby. If you wanna, yada yada. Okay. Okay. You're grabbing me first.
Good girl.
Oh, goody goody. I wanna eat.
Oh, look at these ones.
Oh, hey, cutie mine. Okay. Jennifer. And, oh, let's give it to you. Whoa, whoa.
I haven't got anything.
Baby, would you like some foodie? That has to be shot. Oh, you shot something. Here. Good boy. Oh no! Daddy will look good on you. Okay. Let's give you a chance. Okay. Jennifer. Okay, Jennifer, you're so cool. Okay, Jennifer. That is not
You like
funny.
the little ones, don't you?
No, the big ones are jelly biting my fingers.
Yeah, you like the small ones. Right, come on.
Okay.
No.
The moose is mommy. The
Right.
moose. Let's your feet.
No, it's the end. There's more in there. Remember.
I think the little horses have.
What have we got here? You can feed. Can you feed the sheep?
I'm too scared for those. They have teeth.
So Sophia, where are we going next?
Supply.
Soft play. Okay.
I love supply.
I like your tutu
Thank you.
and your wellies.
Yay for the first. Everyone else is in supply.
Shaggy's in the play.
Wow. This is hold on to the handlebars.
Okay, go.
1, 2, 3, go!
Whoa!